Hello everyone! Welcome back to Kiddoadventure Zone, the place where imagination comes alive and colors tell amazing superhero stories. Today is super special because we are going to draw and color 3 legendary superheroes that kids all over the world love. Get your pencils, markers, and colors ready because this adventure is full of creativity, fun, and heroic power. Let's jump into our superhero drawing journey and begin the magic right now. Iron Man is known for his super intelligence and powerful technology that helps him protect the world. As we draw his mask, notice the strong shape and sharp lines that show his confidence and strength. Iron Man never gives up, and his bravery inspires kids to believe in their ideas and dreams. Now it's time for Iron Man coloring, and this is where the drawing becomes alive. We use bright red and golden yellow to show his powerful armor and heroic style. Iron Man's suit is full of energy, technology, and courage that makes him unstoppable. Coloring Iron Man teaches us that even ordinary people can become heroes with hard work and creativity. Now let's move to Batman drawing, The Dark Knight of Gotham City. Batman uses his intelligence, skills, and courage to fight crime without any superpowers. As we draw Batman's mask, it shows mystery, focus, and determination. Now comes Batman coloring, making him look bold and powerful. We use dark shades to show his fearless and serious personality. Batman protects his city silently and never asks for praise. Coloring Batman reminds us that heroes can work quietly and still make a big difference. Next up is Spider-Man drawing, the friendly neighborhood superhero. Spider-Man is fast, smart, and always ready to help people in trouble. As we draw his mask, the web patterns show his agility and spider powers. Spider-Man teaches kids responsibility and the power of doing good. Now it's time for Spider-Man coloring, full of bright and fun colors. We use red and blue to show his energetic and playful personality. Spider-Man balances being a hero and a normal kid, which makes him very special. Coloring Spider-Man reminds us that kindness and courage go hand in hand. Wow, what an amazing superhero adventure today on Kiddoadventure Zone. We drew and colored Iron Man, Batman, and Spider-Man with creativity and fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for more fun drawings, colors, and exciting adventures. Bye-bye, superheroes.